12:30.
Excuse me, just a minute.
12:30.
Ayan, ayan. Yung mga dito ang ano, puro pizza lang kain. Ayan yung apo kong nag-birthday. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Yung handa nila. Pizza lang. Oh, yung cake na.
We're gonna get a candle. I mean the lighter.
Oh, happy birthday.
We have the frosting. We could even do that.
Happy
Elijah!
Elijah. Oh, ang mga handa niya.
Ha? Pumapasok ka pa doon? Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Ang saya no?
Oo nga.
At least ngayon nandito ka. Birthday na ka.
Oo.
Si Janice.
Janice.
This is my sister-in-law. Yeah. Well, you met her from the camping before.
Okay, happy birthday.
Yes, and is it okay to start clearing this stuff off the table? Okay.
What's 100 times 1,000? So 4 times 6.
Okay.
Okay. Elijah, are you gonna blow the
Oh, we
candle?
have to move it a little bit. Hold on.
What?
Hold the table.
396.
A little bit so he can blow.
Dito sa ano, sa may tapat
Blow on the
nito.
side. Blow on the side.
No, bakit hindi sa tapat nito?
No, mommy, light it.
Go in the back. Hold on.
Hold on.
Guys, we're gonna move the table.
Oh, be careful, be careful. Yeah.
Okay, now Elijah, go back there.
No, that's not fair.
Eh, baliktad naman yung cake niya. Ano niya ma?
Go get dirty.
Eh,
Oh,
eh, sus.
Okay. All the kids.
Oh, kami.
Janice, get a plate.
Yung maliit. Yung maliit na bata ko.
Asan? Oh, kilo.
Oh, baka mamaya ko maghihip.
Okay. Spread away a little bit. Okay, we're gonna see.
Okay.
Happy on this side. So that the picture from the front is
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you. Oh, you just blew it. Blow. Ayan.
Stop it! I'm gonna light the candle. Oh my God!
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
You smile, it's like so like
Everyone get a bag. Everyone get a bag.
Yeah, boy.